In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Yahoo Mail password. First, open your browser and head to yahoo.com. On the home page, look to the top right and click the Sign In button. This takes you to the login page where you'll start by entering your Yahoo username, email address, or the mobile number linked to your account. Type it in carefully, then select Next. If you remember your password, you can enter it and sign in normally. But since we're focusing on recovery, look for the option that appears when you don't know the password. Select Forgot Password to begin the reset process. Yahoo will now offer ways to verify your identity. You may see options like receiving a code by text message or via WhatsApp. Choose the method that's most convenient and that you have access to right now. For this walkthrough, select WhatsApp. Yahoo will send a 6-digit verification code to the app associated with the phone number on your account. Open WhatsApp, find the message from Yahoo, and copy that 6-digit code. Return to the Yahoo page and enter the code exactly as shown, then click Next. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment or look for a resend option. Also, never share verification codes with anyone. Once your code is confirmed, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Pick something strong and unique, ideally at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words, personal details, or any password you've used elsewhere. Type your new password, confirm it, and proceed. Using a reputable password manager can help you generate and store it securely. After setting the new password, click Continue. You'll see a confirmation that the change was successful. At this point, Yahoo may offer to help you add or update a recovery option. This is highly recommended because it makes future account recovery much easier. You can add a backup phone number or an alternate email, so you always have a way back in if you forget your password again or change devices. If you're all set and don't want to add recovery details right now, simply click Done. That's it. You've recovered your Yahoo Mail password and secured your account. Before you go, consider signing out of any old devices and reviewing your security settings to keep everything up to date. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to get back into your inbox with confidence.